Hi everybody. This is just me goofing around with some jelly plate fun today. And I've been playing. I'll show you some things I've done here. Like I said, early days yet, but I don't know, there's some fun stuff happening here. Sorry, I'm losing my voice a little bit. Oh, this turned, I like this. I like how that turned out. There's this, which these kind of came about together, positives and negatives. I don't have a lot of colors of paint, mostly greens and purples, so that's kind of what I've been playing with. This was just what I was using to clean off my brayer. But yeah, I thought you guys might like to see me goofing around today. So I'm making sure, sorry, I'm using my phone. Just trying to see. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, we're going to play around. I think I'm on camera. So this is just a stencil that I've put over a relatively clean jelly plate here. I'm just going to make sure that's on there. I'm going to start with some dark purple, I think. That might be too much paint, but we'll see. That's it. Just roll it on there. Hopefully some of that's going to stick to the jelly. Looks like it's sticking in some places better than others. But that's the beauty of this technique. It's just, you never know what you're going to get. It's like a little, I don't know, like we'll see. We'll see. And then I'm just going to pull some of that paint, although I didn't put anything on it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. What's going to happen here? That's kind of fun. I'm going to pull this off. It's going to leave some on the jelly plate. Put that in the sink. And then I think I'm going to let this dry. Oh, I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll try a different stencil. Like I said, I'm just playing. It's all about playing. I think I'm just going to pull that up. It's drying. I'm just playing. I don't know what I'm doing here. Just playing. There. That's kind of fun. And I think I'm going to throw down some of this. Spread it around here. I love these color shift paints. They are so fun. Throw that stencil down. Put that down right onto the plate. Make sure it's stuck really well. La 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 la. Grab another bit of paper here. So the idea with jelly plate is the paint may dry, but any kind of porous surface, paper, watercolor paper, whatever, can pull it up off the jelly plate. Got some fun stuff happening there. Let me pull that off. I don't know about that. Let's try this. It looked like it got kind of underneath the stencil, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. And I'm not, it looks like I'm pressing down really hard. I'm not. It's just like firm pressure. And then just kind of going in circles, making sure there's contact. And then pull it up. So yeah, so some of the paint got underneath the stencil, but that's kind of fun. You can see it picked up the first stencil a little bit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna mess around with another color here. Probably gonna end up making mud. We'll see. See. Do this color shift blue, and I think I'm just gonna do that anyway. That's what I'm using. You can see that. And then I think I'm gonna use some of this. Alright, throw that down. Knock the brayer a little bit. Otherwise, I might end up just making mud here. Let's see. I'm going to use this stencil. I like this stencil. I have a squeaky brayer. How fun is that? Oh yeah, la 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 la. Just really want to make sure that brayer's down on there really good. Okay. This will pull it up in between. Get all those open spaces. Oops. Move my paper. Oops. Oh, that dried fast. That's okay. That's part of the fun. So some of that's going to be on the back of this. I'll throw that down. Might be able to get a negative print off that. I don't know. Let's see. Let's have a look. This dries fast. So with that said, because it dries fast, you kind of want to re-wet it again, and there's a print on here. It's really cool, and I'm hoping if I just throw down some of this, it's not white, it's buttermilk color. I'm just going to throw this down on there and then spread it about. Something cool might happen. Or I could just end up with a hot mess. Oh, look at that. Now this is what Bob Ross meant about happy little accidents. That's really cool. That's what is this? So I'm picking up bits of jelly paint. Oh, that's just dry paint. Oh, I'm pleased with that. I'm pleased with that. And okay, so like you can see my jelly plate here. You can see like I think I was using something to make lines, and it actually gouged my jelly print. So not a big deal, really. I kind of like the effect of having these lines in here. And the bottom of the container I used, it's just one of these, actually has a little bump right there. So when I poured the jelly, and it's agar, I made my own agar jelly plate, that's what you're getting in the center there. So, I don't know, this looks really cool. I'm really liking that. I'm gonna leave that one alone. That was nice. Right. So yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing today. I'm just playing around with some things, and just thought you'd like to see that real quick. I will put the recipe for how I made my jelly plate in the description box below. And the neat thing is if this gets too dinged up and damaged and I don't like it anymore, you chop it up, you throw it in a pot, and slowly heat it up so that the agar melts again. And then just add a little bit more water and some glycerine to it. And it just reconstitutes it. Pour it back in your mold. I might try a different mold. I don't know that I need my jelly plate quite this thick. I'd like it to have a little bit more squishiness to it. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Happy New Year. This is one of my goals, is just to not worry about how clean my area is and just make videos for you guys. And we can play together and we can learn together, and I think it'll be fun. Okay? So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned. I'm going to throw some of the still prints up. I'm going to take some pictures and throw some still prints in there, so have a look and see what I've been playing with. Create a beautiful day, you guys. See you in the next video.